looks like it's focusing somewhere else. Definitely not on me. What? No. Cancel. Cancel, bro. Cancel. This is good. So just focus on me. That's it. Okay, let's play some music. This is a good song. 6-3. Someone was calling me. Who was this person? I'll check it after. This is stream maybe. Let's put the phone on focus mode. Work. Turn it down. The biggest distraction. Verify it's you. What? It's me, brother. It's me. Cancel. Try another way. Use password. Cancel. More ways to verify. Phone or tablet. Why? Google has 86. Okay. Google is giving me a bit of a hard time. Let's run the timer. Where is it? 55. Start session. Change the title to something a little bit better. 35. Guys, this is crazy. We are on 35th day and our first app is still not done. By the way, I have worked on another app, like the backend for another app today in the daytime. And in this stream, hopefully I will submit the app. We'll do it live here in this call or in this stream. Oh shit, I have closed it. Live streaming. Let's pop out the chat. Legend, hello, Varun. Hi, did you see the OpenAI dev release? App SDK OpenAI agent builder like n8n and Sora 2. Legend, I don't think their agent builder will be as good as n8n. Guys, I have a lot to speak about all that. Yes, I did see that. It's crazy what the direction which they are going in. And yeah, we should definitely be starting to talk about it. Just give me few minutes, okay? Just few minutes to set things up a little bit. I will publish this. Where is this? So what we have to do is we have to fix a couple of things here. Commit, publish. It's done. One sec. Just 1 sec. Okay, so it's just started, right? The timer is working. We have to just fix this colorized photo thing. Plus I have updated it to have this video playback as well. So this will also work with the videos when we pass it on. So I think this is all working nicely now. Terms and condition restore works. My account does work, shows some extra data, and the history section is working as intended. The only change which I want is to show the image preview with the public host URL changed. So I have to just ask this image preview in this screen. When we pass the props from history, and what is the logic when we pass video URL and another when we pass image URL? What are the components where this data is displayed? I just need to. Rishabh, hey, hi Rishabh. Harshit, anyone have Sora in white code? I don't know. Sora is still not launched in India, right? The APIs are, but now APIs are live. So who was saying yesterday? Varun. Now Sora has released yesterday only. Uh, so Sora.com is not accessible in India. Is it? Username Devyanshu. Sora is not available in India. Yeah, it's not. But you can use it with the APIs. Anyone. It's pretty expensive though. Like I see on Replicate they are showing it as it's cheaper. Also, the image gen 1 mini is really good, and it's like 1,000 images in $1, which is again really good. This is a good deal. I'll show you how good it is. Oh no, shit! I have to add the API key. Let's not do it then. I don't want to add the OpenAI key here. Rishabh, what's up? Platman, hi man. Hi Platman. Okay, let me just run. Oh, I can't run that thing here. Okay, this is not my chat. I have to open my chat from here. Give me a sec. Live. This is my chat. From this screen, pop out chat. I'll remove this chat and we'll put this chat here. Goal. Let's run one goal if possible. All colors. 1 hour. I will show you my. What I'll show you. What is there to show? My favorite book from my library behind me. Start goal. Done. Platman, hello. Harshit, try with VPN connect with US server. I mean, I'm not in a hurry to try Sora. I have like tested it on the server. It works fine. It works good. It's really good. Like the way they disrupted earlier this image gen. Now they have done the same for video, which is good. It's good. Members only live stream. Schedule your live to switch. What is this? Schedule your live to switch to members only. Wow, guys, now there is a members only live. I mean, who would want to do it? Shubham, yo. Abhishek, hey. Hi, Abhishek. How are you? Welcome to the stream. Abhishek, are you new here? I'm sorry if I don't remember you. Okay, so when the history image preview is video URL is on a video. Okay, I need to see this video tag. App SDK OpenAI agent builder like N8N. Oh yeah, so I saw the whole stream by OpenAI. I'm really excited for the chat SDK which they have released. That is something like whenever you go to Twitter nowadays, you see like hundreds of startups killed, 20,000 startups killed, but the real thing is no startup is gonna get killed. Everyone should be like at ease. It's not that big of a deal. Yes, OpenAI is jumping into this bandwagon of making things easier, and I think they are following the same playbook which Apple did, inviting developers. I mean, any company which gets to a certain mass, like now OpenAI as ChatGPT as an app is with masses, and the next thing which you have to do is you have to make sure you build an ecosystem. Now that's what OpenAI is trying to do. They are not trying to just make their models better, but on the other side they're also trying to make their ecosystem much more engaging, not for just the consumer but also for the developers, so that the ecosystem becomes so strong that it's hard to beat them. No matter, like for example, if Anthropic releases a model which is like 10x better than ChatGPT, but OpenAI will build this wall of ecosystem. To leave that wall will become so big of a deal for every user. For example, for me, their memory feature was one of those deal, which was like I was tied up to the ecosystem. Then this is the same thing. Now chat SDK which they have released is, it's like I can build a basic chat window with no coding and can embed it on my web app, where like I can give ChatGPT kind of features inside my web app with my own data. So I mean, there are a lot of, you know, this website, I mean, this guy I know, Bhanu, he built site GPT. So if you think about it, now this product is kind of obsolete because you do not need to pay them how much they are charging. $39 a month they are charging, $79 a month they are charging, 2 chatbots, 1 chatbot, up to 200 training pages, up to 4,000 messages per month. So this is now obsolete, but only in case that, the only case is if someone wants to use just ChatGPT LLMs and they are okay with it. But the thing with these companies, the companies like SiteGPT, is they can use any LLM on the backend. They can add many more new features, custom feature for every use case. Whereas ChatGPT's cases will be for companies who do not care about much about customization. They just need a very quick, easy solution to have ChatGPT SDK integrated, which is a good thing. And another thing which I've really loved was how they are integrating apps into the chat window. So now I do not have to even open Airbnb. Airbnb app can be accessed by ChatGPT and will show the HTML directly on the chat. So the chat timeline is not just text and link only. It's becoming more dynamic with HTML content. So they're trying to move into this direction where ChatGPT will be the main browser now. You do not have to browse any apps or any other thing. And they are trying to bring monetization, making your own apps. I mean, I can give you some ideas here directly in this stream. If any one of you is trying to build something, just make an SEO app for ChatGPT or ASO app for ChatGPT. I would love to use it. Like for example, you know, if I type here, hey, tell me an app which is top in iOS for old image restoration. Like if I send this message right now, I'll just get a text and some list. But what if your app is there with ChatGPT, which can fetch the images, screenshots, title, videos, and then can display it on HTML. And then I can say, hey, list the ASO. What is the popularity, which keywords this is targeting? And it will give me the list, like how Astro gives me popularity score with, again, in an HTML view. Then I can add it. So I do not have to use this multiple apps now. I can just do everything on a ChatGPT screen. And so these kind of apps will become quite huge. And there is a monetization model which is coming from ChatGPT, which I'm again excited for. So yeah, this is my thinking. And the agent builder, I think it's cool, but it's nowhere near to where N8N is right now. Plus, it's like their attempt to start making users build smarter agents. So this is a good way. I mean, this is a good use case for the MCP. Nobody is using MCP except for a couple of like maybe 1% of the developers. I personally, in my use cases, I don't engage with MCP because of how slow they are. They do not really solve any real problem for me as of now until I spend a lot of time building something very specific. So now this app interface which they have integrated into the app where you can build ChatGPT apps, their MCP's use case will be really big because Figma has their own MCP. Canva has their own MCP. Now you just have to use those MCPs where ChatGPT can talk to them and show these HTMLs. Blinken, hey Blinken, how are you, man? Let me just, where is this music? Okay, let's play some lo-fi live chill playlist. Lo-fi introvert radio. Yeah, today let's play the introvert radio. Blinken, hey Rishabh, so what's going on? What's the state on the app release for the App Store? Hey Rishabh, so yesterday I showed like Apple rejected it again with very stupid reason, and I have already added that feature. Not the feature, like they just asked me to add this text and one EULA link. That was the reason they rejected it. But instead of just making this change and submitting it, I went my way again, over engineering. I added a new history tab. and I added like the whole history section where all the conversions you make are shown in this history tab, which took me quite a lot of time from yesterday and today, like to fix this. Then there was this output which was coming from backend, which was in wrong format. So I have to change a little bit of middleware, then a little bit of output which is coming from server. I made them a little bit more intelligent in a way, so it's more robust. So these are the use cases which I'm talking about, which I still need to fix slowly. As more apps I build, I'll have to make these use cases perfect so that I can open this service for anyone to build their own apps as AI Sidekick as a backend. Abhishek, no, I showed you one app that I was working on. Oh, Abhishek, I remember. Nice. Yes. Welcome, man. Welcome. Sam, don't forget their main reason is to serve ads now within these apps as well. Like Expedia example they showed, you can book within. True. So this could be the new monetization strategy. Like obviously, like you bring multiple platforms and they all compete for their rank when user is searching for something. And you can also display ads because now there is HTML, not just text. Sorry. Varun, I am thinking now it has become easy to make products AI friendly, like easily knowing about website and interacting through ChatGPT. Exactly. Ashit, from the last 2 days, it's been raining. Delhi's weather has completely flipped 360 degree. It actually feels like I'm in Nainital right now. Oh yeah, it's October, right? The winter arc. This is the beginning of a winter arc now. Harshit, lock in on the winter arc. Come with 6-pack abs in January or maybe in Fab. Platman, what are you building today? Platman, so the main goal in this 30 minutes is to submit the app. Just publish and submit it. It's almost ready. I just need to quickly update few things. That is what I'm gonna do. Enhanced image result URI. What is the name of that function? Utils place URL domain. Wait. What? It should auto import it. So if I open it right now, it won't show this video because the video is gone. Is it still showing it? Fuck. If I change it, is it still showing it? Yes. So this means the new replaced link is working. Yes. Varun, I met one guy from X who is building his own MCP to build UI to code from Figma for more responsive and clean code. Oh, nice. Nice. Samir, sup? Hey Samir, welcome man. How are you doing? Shubham, bro, today feeling like listening to our main music. Shubham, I'm really scared of copyrighted content now. There are like some strict policies. They might like block my streams altogether. I don't want to mess up with my AdSense again. It took me like a whole month to fix that. So I'm really sorry, man. Maybe later. Varun, it takes 30-40 minutes to convert a simple landing page. I would not spend that much time to convert a landing page to just Figma to landing page. Shivam, always with me. Kishle, I don't think a non-coder can vibe code a full-fledged SaaS using Lovable or similar tools. You are right, Kishle. It's you hit a wall. I'm 100% sure. Even like me with like 10 years of experience building products, vibe coding doesn't work that well the way it is marketed. You know, every single time you have to still go into the code base. You really need to know what AI is doing. As soon you give more power to AI, you lose power on your project. And once you lose power on your project, you can't fix anything and you are just on the mercy of AI. And AI is not that good. So it will just fuck up your credits. You will be wasting more time, more money, and your product will still have crazy bugs which you can't fix yourself because you gave all the power to AI. So that's what I'm always scared for, and that's why whenever I ask it to make any complex feature, I try to understand what it did and if it makes sense. And to be honest, like 60% of the time it does good, 40% of the time I have to ask it, what you did is wrong and you have to do it in this way. So I do not manually write code for most of the UIs and everything, but sometimes I do have to give it instructions on the architecture, the process it is using to add that kind of code. Wow, cursor just crashed for me. The good thing is it opened so quickly. So are there more video tags here? No, only one. Then there is an image URI, this one. I have to add the same thing here. What is the name? Replace URL domain. Public host name. Is there more image tag here? No. So if I go here, would you like to update? Yes, let's update my yarn start. So right now it's not showing, right? But with this new change, it will start to show the image because there is a, yes, it is. So now it is working. Later. Shubham, I will listen from my side. Cool. Platman, can you show the activity window? Activity monitor. What is happening on my activity monitor? Activity monitor is taking a bit of time. So Google, window, OBS, Astro, all these are like Electron apps that they hog like almost 1 GB of your RAM for simple tasks. How much CPU usage is there? The load is pretty normal, I guess. Kishle, I first brainstorm and do deep level research on ChatGPT, also generate prompt chunks for the whole project, then paste them on Cursor and it works fine. Yeah, that's like, even I do this kind of similar thing these days when I have to build like for a big feature which I have less idea on. I ask it to architect it, and then I read what kind of architecture it has given, what kind of file changes it's going to make, and then I discuss with it until we lock in, yes, this is the right documentation, and then I pass it to Cursor. These days I'm doing this discussion either on ChatGPT because I'm paying $20, so I use the 5 thinking model, or I use Kimi K2, which is again really good. I'm disappointed with GLM 6 4.6 though. I felt like Kimi is doing a little bit better for me. And please don't hate me for this big ass component, 800 line. This is like, I'll refactor this whole app once I pass and this starts to make sense later. Okay, so colorize is working. For the image and the video, I want them to have full width, no padding or margin from the corner, and increase height accordingly in the aspect ratio. Platman, my 24 gigs is almost always full. How much is my system? I think it's 32 gigs. Okay, so yeah, my Mac Studio is 32. I do not face much of a RAM problem in my machine. I do face hard disk problem because I got this 500 GB version. This was like a big mistake. Next time if I'll get any MacBook, I'll definitely be going for 1 TB or 2 TB, and your RAM would be 32. PRD platform, just it's blinking. I brainstorm and create a PRD to give to Cursor for implementation. Yeah, exactly. This is also like my way of doing it. I never trust it on one go. Like I never trust LLMs to do things on one go. Like you tell it what to do and it will do it. Then it will mess up. Remove padding. Looks cleaner, right? Even now. Oh shit, this is wrong. Because it has removed. In the video tag, where is the video tag? I have to remove the navigation and controls. Better. Oof, this is bad. Wait, is the image also showing this issue? Image is not showing. For video, I think the video layout is taking full height, which is overlapping with the back navigation. Let's fix that, please. I'm the one which still uses please. Flatman, just 20 Chrome tabs, Slack versus VS Code, Flutter, iOS emulator. I get it. Kishle, I'm purchasing M4 Pro 24GB RAM 1TB. Hey, perfect. That's a good choice. That's a really good choice. I'm not a big fan of the way it is showing, but I do not want to again overdo things. As we have used this function to replace the URLs before reviewing, can you do the same when we save or share the media? Code with Yugi, namaste. Hey Yugi, namaste, man. Once this is done, I will uninstall this app, install it again, and we will test it from the start, how it's working. Perfect. Now I'll update both. Replace image. This is done. Download URL, which is done. Let's see if we click on save. Success. Perfect. Let's see. Is it saved? Yes, it is saved. Perfect. So this is working. Okay, now it's time to clear the app and test it if we are missing on anything. Delete app. Flatman, what's your opinion on GitHub Copilot? I don't use it at all, so I don't have any opinion as such on it. But I believe they are doing really good. They are giving good credits right now. And when you have just mentioned it, I think I have to check it, what's happening there, GitHub Copilot, because I have just completely ignored it. So GitHub Copilot is my my gateway to AI coding. It's the first AI coding agent which I used first on VS Code for the first time when it was released. See pricing and plans. So for free, $10 per month or 100 years. What? Guys, is it true? Like at $10 I get unlimited? Unlimited agent mode? GPT-5 mini. Okay. Response times may vary during period of high usage. Request may be subject to rate limiting. Okay. So they should mention this, man. This is such a trick these guys use. But again, $10 is cheap. And I don't know how good their model is, to be honest. I mean, their agentic workflow is. But yeah, nice. $10 is nice. You like anybody of you who is using it, let me know what your experience has been. Copilot is in Raycast. Install GitHub Copilot extension Raycast. Click on install extension. Open Raycast. Search Copilot. Find the create task command. Then press enter. Click sign in with GitHub and complete authorization. Raycast will type prompt describing what you want Copilot to do. For example, this. Select the repository you want to Copilot to work on. Option is select the branch. Command enter. Start the task. Okay, so it will basically raise a PR by writing on Raycast. I don't need that. Please दोस्तों stream को like करो. Thank you Harshit for reminding everyone. Guys, please like the stream. Flatman, credits is very good but less context window and understanding. Yeah, I mean that is very important for me. And I feel Cursor is at a very good stage. I trust its agentic mode a lot more than Windsurf. And they also now started showing this percentage of how much context this particular chat is using, which is a very good reminder. Earlier I used to just do all the chat on single pane, but now I have this habit whenever it reaches more than 50% and I feel the older context doesn't make sense, I just start a new tab. Yarn iOS. It's good, bro. Okay. Of the project, less multi-file editing support. Do you have your school ID? No, I don't. You can get it for free. I have 2 years. If it works, then it's time to upload a new version. We will make it 183 to 4. We'll make the build number 29. We'll start archiving once it works. Saf Ali, hi Saf, how are you doing? Welcome to the stream. Shaurya, which app are you using right now? I'm new. Hey Shaurya, welcome to the stream. Which app I'm using? You mean the window where I'm coding? This is Cursor. Any other app, and I'm building my own like iOS app, which we are about to resubmit on App Store. It will need to be restarted because of this permission issue on Mac. Okay, cool. So this is the first testing of the app again. Welcome, start, recreate, continue, colorize, continue, unblur, continue, rescratch, continue, animate, continue, get started. Yep, all good here. Now the thing is, because we are already signed in, so it has already given us the same account. Yes, this is the same account, which is technically a good thing it is keeping, but there is no history. Okay, so what we will do is we will test with three things. First, we will just colorize an image. Let's use any, if you guys have any image, just send me, or I will use mine, black and white. Or if you want to convert any image into video, black and white image, black and white old image I'll use. Is there any funny image here which we can colorize? Okay, so Juhi Chawla, I will use this save image. Okay, wait, this image, let's see if it can remove this. Should we do this kind of testing, or I think the older one is good. Let's do not save image. It's an AVIF format. I have to convert it to JPEG, and we can just drag and drop here, and we'll be using this one, colorize. Okay, select image, allow, not now, choose. Let's see. Seth, how much time it took you to reach 1200 MRR and how you market your apps? Hey Seth, it took me almost a year, man. More than a year. And I do not market them anywhere else. I do a little bit of like ASO mostly. So now you can directly go to the history tab and see what's happening. Install update. Super Whisper is always updating. I like it. Like Super Whisper keeps them so up to date. So, you know, for this, I have to add a whole polling system into the app. For example, like right now it's done. Oh, I see. There is some issue here. It worked here, but it's not working here. On the preview, oh, it's working. Maybe the upload took a little bit more time, but I think it's fine. Now we'll use the same. Okay, wait. We'll go to history. We will go to the colored version. We'll save it. Okay, and now we will convert it into a video. Select image, video, choose. Start. Flatman, how do you handle client side for error handling and uses those data to fix the bug? Insufficient credits. This is good. Buy credits will show this screen. Perfect. So yeah, this use case is working. So I do not have video credits. I'll add some video credits for this user. Add credits. Let's add 1000 credits for this user. Done. We'll try again. So for client-side error handling, there is nothing, no other library right now. This is like not in my to-do as of now in the first version. But next version, I'm trying to add like more analytics and crash analytics. I'll use Sentry for client-side mostly. And yeah. Flatman, case during production. Yeah, currently in this first version, there is no crash recording, sadly. I'll not be looking at any crash logs or even for anything regarding logs. But the next update, which I will push out, will have a single analytics image data. I want to see what users are doing. And I was just browsing which tool to use. I came across, like I have used this in my previous company as well. And I think they have a decent 10,000 tier, like 10,000 metrics are free on UX Cam. The only thing is it makes your app a little bit heavier. So I'll see if this solves that problem for me. Their tier, this is very easy tier. Okay, so video is converted. This is good. Yep, working good, right? So the app is working good. Everything is working. Except for this image. What happened to this image? Maybe it's just a glitch. Let's see. Seriously, what happened to this video image? It's okay. It will be fine. So I think we are good, guys. Wish me luck. This is the first time I'm releasing via live on a live stream. Let's archive this. Product archive. Once again, I will test it on my phone and then I will submit it to App Store. Shivam, hey, what's up? Hey Shivam, welcome man. Welcome to the stream. Harshil, which AI model are you using for this image generation? So I'm using this is Flux, a fine-tuned version of Flux for image restoration. And for video, it's Seed Dance by ByteDance. Harshit, crazy, watching 22. Oh, really? There are 22 people? Hello, everyone. Hi, welcome to the stream. We are building an iOS app here. We are sending it to App Store for review. Flatman, thanks for the input. You're welcome, man. Amit, looking cool. Hey, Amit, welcome. Welcome. I see you are here today. How are you? Harshil, which AI model are you using for the image gen? I did answer this, right, Harshil? Anvesha. Hi, Anvesha. How are you? Welcome to the stream. Shubham, how are you, bro? New here. Hey, Shubham, welcome. Welcome to the stream, man. New guys, new guys. You said that and 19. Oh, you guys are new. Tell me about you. How did you find out about this stream? What made you click on the thumbnail and how are you liking the vibe here? Legend, hey, I don't know, but what happened if user increases? So is there any lag or loading issue? We'll find it out once user increases. We'll find it out. But I'm pretty confident on the backend that it can handle quite a lot of scale. At least like till 1,000 users, I don't have to worry about. And I'm talking about 1,000 paid users because unpaid users cannot use it and cannot use it extensively. They can just generate one image. And if I have 1,000 users, then they are already paying pretty good amount that I can spend more time on scaling my infrastructure. So it will be a long journey till we reaches 2,000 paid users. Anvesha, subscribed for a long time. First time watching a video. Okay. Thank you, Anvesha. Thank you for subscribing. By the way, a new video is almost done. I have completed the editing. I will spend some time on creating the thumbnail. I was hoping to do it today, but today was my water fast. So I was feeling a little bit less on energy. And tomorrow I am shooting a podcast with Sam. So tomorrow is also a bit busy for me. Also, I'm thinking tomorrow I will set this up, the T-Launcher thing, which we have to do a game stream with you guys on mostly, let's do it on Friday. I think that this will give me a buffer day of Thursday to see if everything is working fine on my end. Friday we can sit and just play the game. It will be a nice end, a weekend. So you see, even in Mac Studio, it takes around this much time to compile an app. Think about it, like if I compile it in my MacBook Air, how long it could take. Harshit, now you're viral streamer. Legend podcast. Yeah, Legend. Me and Sam, we are doing. Sam is starting a new podcast where we will be talking about tech in general, like AI and what's new around iOS, things like that. I'll share the link here once it's live. Blinken, where would the podcast be? I'll share the link. It's Sam's YouTube channel. Yugi on Friday. Yes, Yugi. Let's do it on Friday. Shubham subscribed and joined Discord. Thank you, Shubham. Welcome to the gang. Amit, yes, game day, yippee. You guys are interested in playing Minecraft? How many of you want to really play the Minecraft game? Will you be joining us? I'll just run a poll. Start a poll. Would you be joining us in our Friday Minecraft server? Yes, no. Shubham, Sam, bro, today's app. I think Sam is not here today. Anvesha, when is your next stream and can you give a quick recap of what you have already done today? Anvesha, I do the streams daily. These lives are almost daily at 9:30 to 10:30. And what I have done today is, so this is one of the app which I'm building for very long. Like it was supposed to be released 3 weeks back, but since Apple's review team is giving me some hard time, and today like I was working on this history section, so I have added like a proper history section where you can see all your processed images in this page. And yeah, there was one issue where the images were not showing up on this screen because we were clearing the servers. The provider which I'm using, they were deleting the data from their server. So I just implemented my own caching server on the backend. So each media which we receive is now uploaded in my server as well. So yeah, we're just doing it. So this is what we have done. Like I've just fixed that and uploading it now again. App Store, connect, distribute. Shubham, it's everyday, bro. We are productive. Code with the Minecraft wins always. Blinken, sadly no, because I will be working, but I'll be watching. Sure, Blinken, we'll love to have you watching my noobness. Or these guys are, I think, are pro already. Abhinav, I haven't played Minecraft. Maybe I need to watch some tutorials. Abhinav, we are on the same boat, man. I have never played Minecraft. It's just because Shubham and Yugi made it possible. I ran this poll I think 3 streams back, and in the end Minecraft won. So well, here we are. Now we have to play it. So if you want to join, let's download the Minecraft game and join us on our server. We both will learn together. Shubham, goal wasn't achieved. So Platman, what payment platform are you using for the in-app purchases? It's I'm using iOS, and this is my own screen which I have created. I'm using iOS, but yeah, I'm using Revenue Cat to make things a little bit simpler for me. Earlier I was using Superwall, but Superwall was giving me some hard time. I can just ignore it for now. Guys, the app is uploaded. Let's publish it or send it for review. Before that, we'll have to just test it a little bit on my real device if everything is working smoothly. I have one other tester with me, which is my brother. I'll ask him to test it too. I do not want Apple to give me any hard time. Also, this is a good opportunity that I can upload my video. Oh yeah, we'll have to update the video too. Shit. Shubham, thank you so much, man. Wow, I didn't see that. Hey Shubham, bro. I really appreciate it. Shubham, thank you. Oh no, this is Shubham. Sure, yeah, I have Cursor Pro. Is it good for making apps for website or it's limited? Cursor is limited. Like you get only $20 worth of credits. I have exhausted all mine. I paid, like, my plan renews on 28th of every month. So it got renewed on 28th of September, and by 6th of October, which is like less than 1 week, I just exhausted those $20. Now all the queries which I'm doing on Cursor, I'm paying for per query basis, and I think I already at $10. Oh, it's not updated here. It will take some time. Test flight takes some time to load the app. I'll get a notification somewhere here. So yeah, next thing is I have to integrate UX cam. Let's see how it goes. We'll move it to the back end. Shubham, now show your library book, bro. Okay, Shubham, you got me. Where is it? Just give me 1 sec to bring my book from there. Okay, just give me 1 sec. So I don't know like how much you like this book, but this is something which I read. I don't know if it's visible. So this book I gifted to my friend as well. This is called Living with the Himalayan Masters. It's kind of like a little bit of people who are into meditation, spirituality, and this is written by a real Himalayan yogi who was like traveling in Himalayas. His stories, his journey about finding himself, and the journey across the mountains. He like took education from some great masters. He met Rabindranath Tagore, Mahatma Gandhi, and many other like crazy people in the history, and his learnings about it. So this was kind of an eye opener. This taught me a very good lessons on how to control my own what you can say, mood, emotions, and being consistent, not to worry much. So I felt I was in that headspace when I was reading it, where I wanted to just not read more productive books. I wanted to just feel more content in whatever I have, and this book has helped me with that. So yeah, this is one of my favorite books. I don't know, you guys are young. I don't think you guys need to read this at this age, but if anyone of you is interested or in that part of your life, so this book is really helpful. Living with the Himalayan Masters. This is my favorite book. So yeah, Shubham, this is it. It's only 20 rupees. No need to thank me, bro. It's okay, Shubham. It's not about the money. It's about the intent. I really like your intent. It's for completion of goal and your favorite book. I mean, Twitter's algorithm is unpredictable. One day you get no views, the next you will get 1 million. Exactly. That's why like I stopped posting on Twitter at all, because I felt like I'm posting at too many places, and I thought, okay, let's give one place a try, that is YouTube majorly, or Instagram. But yeah, I understand all the algorithms are like that. I post like reels almost every day on Instagram. Sometimes it goes to like 3,000 views, sometimes it gets like 500. You just inserted me bad. Oh, Swami Rama. Oh yes, Swami Rama. I know, I have that book. Oh wow, Shubham, you have read this. Nice. Harshit, भाई शुभम और युगी हो तो RDR2 कभी नहीं जीत सकता. What, Harshit said something. I saw his message. I think RDR2 win. No, RDR was winning till the end, but in the next 10 minutes, I think Shubham pulled from his 10 other dummy accounts and won. Minecraft won that battle. Nishant Gupta, sir, where to study Flutter? Any recommendation? Nishant, I mean, like, start with the official docs, talk to ChatGPT about it a little bit, and yeah, that would be my recommendation. Other than that, maybe give a look at my latest video, which is published on my channel about React Native and Flutter. That might be helpful too. Has been completed processing. Okay, now we can publish the app. It's processed. It would be visible now. Yes, 29, version 29. But before this, we have to also update one other thing, which is in the video section. We have this promo video of our app, so we have to add this. But when I'm trying to update it, it's giving me one error. Where is it? It will give me one error. Dimension should be 1920 by 886 px. Now we have to crop this video. Is there online video crop? but these companies will put some logo on it. Is there a way we can edit a video, just a crop? I think we can just crop here. Maybe there is something. There is this. Is there a way to crop a video in Mac to 11920 by 886? Is there any native app? Also, if not, I have FFmpeg. So tell me in that. Loopless, which app is making the majority of $1,200? So it's like a mix of all the apps which are generating, but my most famous app, which has been working for last 1.5 years, is Auto AI Reels, which is making which is adding considerable to it. I feel not super comfortable at this point to share exactly which app, because I've noticed like apps get copied a lot and then it becomes harder. दिव्यांशु भाई ये बातें पता ही नहीं जाती. Top secret. Abhinav, how did you make the promo video? Abhinav, I did make it in this live stream only. I think 3-4 streams back, I made the whole video. So what I did was I was using multiple tools. I used Figma a little bit to add that create that background and text. Then the video which you saw, wait, let me. So this part which you are watching here, this mobile which is moving, this is a Rotato. This is an app which I use. I use that and I uploaded a screen recorded version of my app, and then I compiled everything on Final Cut to create it. This crops the entire video. Let's see if this is doing what it is saying to it will do. CD document, no, not document, this is video. Get info. Let's do this. Let's see. So FFmpeg input MP4. It's not input MP4, it's promo. Promo move HT, which will be output.mp4. Let's see. Output.mp4. We have output here. It is there, but 0 KB failed. Invalid. Too big. Non-positive size for 1920. The best part about this is you do not have to think about anything. Let's be dumb. It will do. Shubham, by the way, what is hyper browser, bro? I don't know. I'm just reading this for the first time. Harshal, is it ChatGPT app that is doing voice to text? I am not doing voice to text, but yeah, I do use Super Whisper for that. This is Super Whisper window, this one, which you see this vibrations. This is Super Whisper running locally on my machine. Yeah, see, it has written what I have said. But I'm trying to use it less and less because I feel like I speak a lot, then that reduces I like to type too. Like I really want to improve my typing speed. So these days I'm typing a lot more than just speaking. Code with you, Shubham bhai, do you add me on Discord if something tell? Yeah. Okay. By the way, what is happening? 18 votes and 56%. So that means like around 9-10 people will be there on our Minecraft day. That's good. Guys, I'll be leaving in 3 minutes. Before that, let's push the app and I'll be really happy. Center crop upscale. Let's do this. Output is already there. Yes, overwrite it. Now it's working. Guys, before leaving, please like the... What? This is not 1920, bro. What have you done? Keep everything visible, no cropping, letterbox, pillar box to optional tweaks. Nah, this is bad. Is there any other way locally in the system? There is no built-in macOS app that lets you crop a video to exact pixel dimension. Is there any free online tool to do that? Crazy voting. 19 votes. Code with Yugi. I'm building server for Minecraft. I have something for you. It's surprise. Cool, Yugi. I'm waiting for the surprise this Friday. Vipul, bro, what mic are you using? Vipul, this is Sennheiser. I think pod mic. Sennheiser pod mic. Loopless. Hyperbrowser is browser as a service. You can sign up browsers and do automations inside it. Oh, I did try something like that. Was it Hyperbrowser? I hosted it on my server too. Oh, okay. It was something like this, which I have used. It gives you the whole code. But it was not Hyperbrowser. Got it. Online video editor, video cropper, online video cutter. Open link. Crop a video. Let's see if it can help me. Can I give a specific dimension somewhere? We cannot. Original. Okay, yeah, we can. So it's 1080 by 1920. The dimensions which is it asking is 886 by 1920. So it should be 886. 886. Like this. This is good, right? Save. Let's see. This is good. Okay, so we'll use this one. Yep, our video is updated. By the way, before sending it, I just want to add it onto my test flight. Just give me 1 sec. We are on time. I'm just testing the app once, okay? So that I make sure in real device it's not crashing. Download. Abhinav, this month is stacked up for me. 3 online mega hackathons, college projects, and a boot camp on which I was selected for. Awesome. Congrats, Abhinav. That's crazy, man. Super busy month then. Yugi, like I tried Replit AI, just amazing. What you think? Replit AI is good. Replit AI is really good. I haven't for me it doesn't solve any use case, but for people who are just starting out and try to build something with AI, I feel like it's a good way to start. I like the founder of that company. Abhinav, I consult for Hyperbrowser advising the marketing team, so I am a consultant. Crazy. Abhinav, bro, you're doing crazy things. Okay, so it's working on the real device as well. And yeah, let's just test it out. I'll test the video editing, okay? No, sorry, the video conversion. Which image? I want to convert any image which I can also show you here in the live stream. Just give me 1 sec. I'm finding an image which I can convert. Okay. A lot of my gym photos here for a very long duration. Any other good photo? Nope, nope, nope. Okay, I found one. Yeah, this is good. Let's see. No, this is also not that great. I have a photo of my brother. He will like it. Yeah. I have a photo of my brother. I'll use it. Let's see what AI will do with it. Shubham, man. Abhinav insulted me crazy. Start animating. Lol, what? Yugi, like till age 18, life is like open source. Everyone try to fix. But after 18, you will have zero contributors. No, man. People will try to fix your life a lot till you're very old. Everyone is trying to fix your life. But the thing is, life is not open source. Life is a very closed source, and it's better to make it as closed source as possible. Because you can only raise PR to yourself. Nobody else has the right. Like, you generally ignore everyone's PR. You take ideas from others' PRs in your life, but you do not merge them. This is such a good analogy to life, man. Nice, Yugi. So processing is happening. Processing is done. Let's see what video we got. I'll show you guys. This is good. I'll share with you here. Okay. So I don't know if Shivanshu is here today in the stream, but he'll like it. So this is the image of Shivanshu, and this is what the app has done. This is good. This is good. He'll like it. So the app is working. Even I can see it in the history tab. This is good. Let's do it. Add for review. Guys, fingers crossed this time. 20th time is the lucky time, I guess. Resubmit. Submitted. Waiting for review. Perfect. The app is gone. We can finally start working or finishing the second app which we are working on. What's happening here? Div even better. Yeah, Divyanshu, things make sense. Okay, real idea. Avino, I am excited for Friday. See ya from my side. Hey Avino, thank you for joining, man. Yeah, we'll see you on Friday. See you everyone on, like, I'll come tomorrow as well. But yeah, we'll talk more about Minecraft, what we are gonna do. Shivam, 100% real. About what? About what I said? About the PR of your life? I don't know. What do you? Yeah, you will also be surprised. Cool. So guys, pretty good amount of votes, man. 23 votes, 57%. That means somewhere around 11 people are joining us on Minecraft. That's big. A bit. Yugi, can 11 people be handled easily in that server which you are creating? But yeah, this was fun, guys. Super productive. This was one of the main tasks for me today, to finish and upload the app, which is done. Finally and finally. I hope nothing breaks this time. And when I come back tomorrow, I can show you guys that the app is live and we can start getting some reviews. Cool. See you from my side. Thank you for joining.